Welcome to the APA Journal Article Reference Tutorial. Here is an example of an article found through a database. We can see the title of the article, the authors of the article, and the source information. This includes the name of the journal the article was published in, the date the article was published, and the volume, issue, and page numbers for the article. If we were to look further down, we would also find a DOI number, or Digital Object Identifier number. Although it does not show it here, there is more information to the journal name than has been indicated. It is important to make sure you have the full journal name when you're looking at the source information. Here we see an example of what the article looks like from the journal. We still have the title of the article, the author names, and the journal information. To cite this article, give the first author's last name, in this case McCullough, a comma, a space, and the first author's first name initial, L period, a comma, a space, the second author's last name, a comma, a space, the second author's first name initial, A period, a comma, a space. And now we have the final name for the authors. This is the third name listed. Before putting the final name, put the and symbol or the ampersand symbol. Then give the final author's last name, in this case Badcock, a comma, a space, the final author's first name initial, N period. And now they have given us the final author's middle name or middle initial. Put a space and put that middle initial, A period, then a space, and give the publication date in parentheses. Put a period after the parentheses. Remember to include the middle initial for authors who give a middle initial or a middle name. After the date, we have the title of the article, University Students with Dyslexia, a qualitative exploratory study of learning practices, challenges, and strategies. At the beginning of the title, the word university is capitalized. This is because it's the beginning of the title. In the middle of the title, there is a colon. The colon separates the title into two parts. You must capitalize the beginning of each part of the title. Therefore, the second part is capitalized with the word A. Place a period at the end of the title. Next, we have the title of the journal, Dyslexia, an international journal of research and practice. Write the journal exactly as you see it. If every word is capitalized, then you will capitalize every word. If every letter is capitalized, you will capitalize every letter. Make sure to follow it exactly as you see it. Place a comma at the end of the journal title. The journal title is in italics because it is the title of the whole journal, the whole work. The article title is not in italics because it is a piece of a whole. It is a piece of the journal. After the journal title, we have a space, and then we have the volume number. The volume number, 23, is also in italics. The number in the parentheses, 1, is the issue number. The issue number is not in italics. Do not give an issue number if one has not been provided. If an issue number has been provided, you will place it in parentheses directly after the volume number with no space in between. Place a comma after the parentheses, a space, and then give the page numbers. Here we have page numbers 3 through 23. Do not label the volume, issue, or page numbers with the words or letters indicating they are a volume, issue, or page number. In other words, do not put the letters VOL or P or PP to indicate these numbers. Simply place the numbers and nothing else. put a period at the end of the page numbers. If you are using the physical journal, then you would not need to place any further information. You'd be done after giving the page numbers. However, this journal was accessed online through a database online. Therefore, we have a DOI number, a Digital Object Identifier number. This is a number that is given to many journals that are digitally available through online databases. This Digital Object Identifier number has been given in a URL format. Sometimes the number is simply a numeric format. Sometimes it's alphanumeric, and in this case, a URL format. Place the URL after the page numbers. Do not put a period after the URL or after a DOI number. If you access your article online and it does not have a DOI number, then you need to give the URL. Put the words retrieved from with the word retrieved capitalized, and then put the URL. Refer to the APA manual for further assistance. Delta State University reference librarians are available to assist you. Please call or email with your questions.